Hello everyone, welcome back to Huxtello iTech, where we bring you the latest and most accurate information regarding the Ghana Education Service. I'm Huxtello, and today we have some important news from the GES headquarters about a national exercise aimed at resolving salary issues by conducting a mass change of management units for staff. Stay tuned for all the details and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. The GES headquarters has announced a new initiative to address salary-related issues by updating and cleaning up management unit data across the country. This exercise, known as the Management Unit Cleanup, involves collating a comprehensive list of staff under their respective management units and their validators. Many staff members have been incorrectly listed under the wrong management units or have multiple payroll validation (PV) entries, causing significant discrepancies in salary payments. Some schools have PVs that no longer exist, and others are yet to create their PVs. This national exercise aims to rectify these issues by ensuring all staff are correctly listed under their current management units. Here are the three main steps of this exercise. Creation of management units. For schools and staff who currently don't have a designated management unit, new units will be created. This will ensure that all staff are properly accounted for and eliminate the need for them to be listed as missing staff elsewhere. Collection of Ghana card numbers. To streamline this process, GES is also collecting Ghana card numbers for all affected staff. This helps in verifying identities and ensuring that everyone is properly documented in the national database. Update of existing management units. Even for schools that already have PVs, a thorough update is necessary to ensure that all staff are accurately listed under their current management units. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about critical updates like this, including salary issues, controller services, promotions, and academic calendars. This exercise is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it will help ensure that no staff member is left out due to discrepancies in their management unit data. Secondly, it will streamline salary payments, reducing the chances of delays and errors. Lastly, it will aid in the accurate collection of Ghana card numbers, which is vital for proper identification and record-keeping. According to the GES headquarters, all regions and districts must submit their updated lists by June 28, 2024. This means that all heads of institutions need to act quickly to ensure their staff's details are accurate and up to date. In summary, this national exercise by the GES is a significant step towards resolving ongoing salary issues and ensuring accurate management unit data for all staff. Make sure to inquire from your district if you haven't yet received information about this exercise. Also, don't rely solely on this process. Continue to make personal efforts to ensure your management unit details are correct. Here's a quick look at the official letter from the GES headquarters, which outlines the request for management units and national identification numbers. The letter emphasizes the urgency of this exercise and the cooperation needed from all educational institutions. And this is the template for the staff list and validators. It includes columns for staff number, full name, grade, management unit, and more. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully and submit your details correctly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, take care and stay informed.